Thank you for joining me today. My name is Therese. I'm known as a paper lover. Today I'm going to show you how I made a C2 or C squared shirt. Something very cute, very simple. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the document. I'm going to type the letter C and I'm going to blow it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go and simply type in the number 2 and do the same thing by blowing it up just a tad bit. I'm going to put the two side by side. I'm going to draw a box around it, and I'm going to change my font to Adobe Book. Together, I'm just going to blow it up a little bit more and put the two side by side so it's easier for me to work with. I'm going to make a copy of it. I'm going to put another box around it, and I'm going to outline the C2. I'm going to go and just put in the center of the page so it's easy to work with. I'm going to space the 2 out exactly where I want it, just to size it a little bit better, and blow it up some more. And from there, I'm going to go and reflect it. Anytime you're making a t-shirt, you have to mirror the image, and that's basically a reflect. I'm going to draw another box around it. I'm going to make my inside fill to be 0 or negative. I'm going to make my stroke to be solid black, and then I'm going to go down to File, Silhouette, and send it to the Silhouette machine. Run to my Silhouette machine to cut it, and here it is. I am simply going to cut it out. I'm doing a process now that's called weeding. Weeding is actually removing all of the negative space that you don't need. That's actually going to be thrown away. It's a lot of space that I could have cut and used for another project, but I didn't do it for this demonstration. And I'm just going to pull it, and it's not damaging anything. It's just that this is really tacky because it's stretched. It's HTV vinyl, and I just had to pull it hard because the surface is really tacky or really sticky. And then once I have all those negative things out that I don't want to use, I'm just going to get my scissors and I'm going to trim it out. And I'm going to put the part that those solid pieces to the side because I can use those pieces again later. I'm just going to simply trim it all out the way I want it. Once I have it trimmed, I'm going to put it on top of my t-shirt just to lay it out. Now that I have it cut out exactly like I want it, I'm going to put my t-shirt down. I'm going to smooth out my t-shirt just to get rid of all the wrinkles and things and just lay it smooth and flat, making sure it's not in dirty spots or any kind of lint or anything on it. I'm going to lay my design on top of it. And here, once I put it on top, you can see I have a little bit of residue on the actual film. I'm just going to grab it off. And then here it is. I put it on my heat press and I have my shirt. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Therese, the paper lover. Please make sure you subscribe and check back. You can also go to my website, thepaperlover.com. Thanks for joining me. Bye.